Procreate Orange. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn simple digital drawing techniques in Procreate Pocket. Beginners look for easy step-by-step guidance to understand layers. Open Procreate Pocket on your device and wait for the gallery screen to appear. Tap the plus icon in the top corner to create a new canvas. From the canvas options, choose a square canvas size so your artwork has equal width and height. After the blank canvas opens, tap the brush icon to open the brush library. Select the soft brush to achieve smooth shading. Next, pick an orange color from the color panel. Using the soft brush, draw a clean circle shape in the center of the canvas. Once the outline is complete, drag and drop the orange color into the circle to fill it evenly. Create a new layer above the base circle layer. Tap the layer and turn on clipping mask so your shading stays inside the circle. Pick a darker orange shade from the color panel. Gently shade the bottom part of the circle to create depth. Lower the brush opacity to make the shading softer and more natural. Blend the shading gently using light strokes until the transition looks smooth. Choose a lighter orange color next. Add a highlight on the top area of the circle where light would naturally hit. Use soft strokes to keep the highlight subtle. Blend the highlight smoothly so it transitions naturally into the base color. Create another new layer for additional details. Pick a dark brown color from the palette. Draw a small stem on the top center of the circle. Add a light highlight to the stem to give it dimension. Create a new layer for the leaf so it remains separate from the other elements. Pick a green color. Draw a simple leaf shape attached to the stem. Add darker green shading along one side of the leaf for depth. Then add a lighter green highlight to the opposite side to show light reflection. Adjust the layer opacity if needed to balance the colors. Check the overall lighting balance across the artwork. Finally, tap Actions, select Share, and tap PNG to export your finished image.